Okay, here I am with my new drone. I've had it 2 or 3 days and I haven't had a chance to fly it. I've gotten 2 successful flights, and for some reason the third one's not. I've I've done everything. It just keeps flipping over to one side. And so what I ended up doing is replacing all the propellers. I thought possibly something was wrong with the propellers. So anyway, I'm going to try this one more time.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so everything looks normal. But then, okay, so I'm going to press the auto start right here.
Ready to fly.
Let's do it one more time.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it looks pretty normal. Here we go. It just flips over.
Place comma.
Okay, this is exactly the spot I took off from yesterday. I was having problems with, hold on. I was having problems with it. I tried a different terrain and it kept flipping over, saying I need to be on more level ground. This is exactly where I was yesterday, so I'm going to start it, and if it flips over again, I'm going to have to send it back, and hopefully they'll either refund it or give me an exchange, because I have no idea why this isn't working. And I think I'm damaging it more each time I try to take off. So here we go.
Ready to fly. 3, 2, 1.
So here it goes. I hope it's probably going to flip over. I hope not, but yeah. See, it's leaning to one side.
Sensor error. Landing in place. Problem detected. Unable to start.